Hello friends, my name is Rohit Verma and today I will teach you some divisibility tests. So without further ado, let's start. Firstly, a number is divisible by 2 if the rightmost digit in that number is an even digit or a 0. For example, you can see this number 1, 2, 3, 2, 4, 3, 4, 3, 4. In this case, the last four digit is the rightmost digit is 4, which is an even digit. So this complete number is divisible by 2. Similarly, you can consider one more example, this one. In this number, you should notice that the rightmost digit is 0. So this number is also divisible by 2. Second is the case of number 3. A number is divisible by 3 if the sum of the digits of the number are divisible by 3. For example, you can consider this number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If you get the sum of all the digits of this number, you will notice that sum is equal to 15. Because 15 is divisible by 3, so this complete number is also divisible by 3. You can consider this example also. In this case, the number is 542253, and if you sum the digits of this number, sum will be equal to 21, and you know 21 is also divisible by 3, so this complete number will be divisible by 3. Third case is the case of number 4. A number is divisible by 4 if the last two digits of the number are divisible by 4. For example, in this big number, you should notice that the last two digits are 4 and 8, that is 48. Because 48 is divisible by 4, so this complete number is divisible by 4. Another example, 87856352. Now again, you should notice that the last two digits are 32. So 32 is divisible by 4. So this complete number will be divisible by 4. Next is the case of number 5. It is very easy. If the last digit, that is the rightmost digit of the number, is 5 or is 0, then that number will be divisible by 5. In this case, the rightmost digit is 5, and in this case the rightmost digit is 0. So both these numbers are divisible by 5. Next is the case of number 6. A number is divisible by 6 if it is divisible by 2 and divisible by 3, because we know that the LCM of 2 and 3 is 6. So a number which passes the divisibility test of 2 and divisibility test of 3, that number will be divisible by 6. Now for example, 1, 2, 3, 5, 4. In this number, the sum of the digits is 1 plus 2, 3, 3 plus 3, 6, 6 plus 5, 11, 11 plus 4 is 15. Now the sum of this number is 15, means it is divisible by 3. And similarly, the lastmost digit of this number, the rightmost digit of this number is 4, which is an even digit. So this complete number is divisible by 2. So both these tests are passed. So this number is divisible by 6. Similarly, you can consider this example. In this case, the sum of the digits is 4 plus 3, 7, 7 plus 1, 8, 8 plus 5, 13, and 13 plus 3, 16, 16 plus 2, 18. So in this case, you should notice that the sum of the number is 18 and the last digit of this number is 2. So this complete number is divisible by 2 and 3. Therefore, this number is also divisible by 6. Next is the case of number 7. The divisibility test of number 7 is little bit difficult. In this case, you should notice that we have this number. Now in order to check whether this number is divisible by 7 or not, what should we do? Omit the last digit and double it. In this case, the last digit is 5. And subtract the double of this digit from the remaining part. And the remaining part, you can see the remaining part is 8641. So you will write here 8641 and subtract the double of this 5, that is 10, from this number. Answer is 8631. Now we can't find whether this number is divisible by 7 or not. Again we have to omit the last digit, that is 1, and subtract it from the remaining digits. So remaining digit in this case is, remaining digits are 863 and the double of 1 is 2. When you subtract, you will get 861. Again we will omit the last digit, rightmost digit, from this number and double it and subtract it from the remaining portion, and remaining portion in this case is 86. So 86 minus 2 will give you 84, and we know that 84 is divisible by 7. So this complete number is divisible by 7. Next is the case of number 8. A number is divisible by 8 if the rightmost 3 digits of the number are divisible by 8. In this case, the rightmost 3 digits are 848, and you know 848 is divisible by 8. So this complete number is also divisible by 8. Next is the case of number 9. If sum of the digits of a number is divisible by 9, the complete number will also be divisible by 9. In this case, you can see the sum of the digits. In this case, the sum of the digits of this number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 3, sum is equal to 18, and 18 is divisible by 9. So this complete number is also divisible by 9. Another example, 5, 4, 1, 2, 3, 7, 5. If you find the sum of the digits of this number, 5 plus 4, 9, plus 1, 10, 10 plus 2, 12, 12 plus 3, 15, 15 plus 7, 22, 22 plus 5, 27, and 27 is divisible by 9. So this complete number will also be divisible by 9. The divisibility test of number 10 is very easy. You should check the rightmost digit. If the rightmost digit is 0, then that number will be divisible by 10. So in this case, this complete number is divisible by 10 as the rightmost digit is 0. Now the divisibility test of 11. A number is divisible by 11 if the difference of odd place, if the difference of sum of odd place digits and even place digits is either 0 or multiple of 11. Now in this case, you should notice that red color digits are odd place digit because it is present at first position, third position and fifth position, and their sum will calculate, sum will be equal to 2 plus 4, 6, 6 plus 9, 15. And the sum of even place digit is 555, 5, 5, 5, this 5 and this 5. When you get the sum of these 5s, you will notice that sum will be equal to 15. Now 15 minus 15 is equal to 0, and I already told you the answer should be either multiple of 11 or 0, then the number would be divisible by 11. Now in this case, the number, this complete number is divisible by 11. Now the case is number 12. A number is divisible by 12 if it is divisible by 3 as well as 4. Now in this case, you should notice that this complete number 1, 3, 5, 2, 4, this number is divisible by 4 because the rightmost 2-digit number is divisible by 4. And if you calculate the sum of the digits, 1 plus 3, 4 plus 5, 9, 9 plus 2, 11, 11 plus 4, 15. So this number is also divisible by 3. Therefore, because this number passes the divisibility test of 4 as well as 3, and the LCM of 4 and 3 is 12, so this complete number is divisible by 12. Now divisibility test of number 13. A number is divisible by 13 if the difference of rightmost 3-digit number and the remaining digit number is either a multiple of 13 or it should be 0. Now in this case, the number rightmost digit 3 digits are 0, 4, 2, that is 42 minus 16, and difference comes out to be 26, and you know 26 is divisible by 13. So this complete number 16042 is also divisible by 13. Next is the case of divisibility test of 14. A number which is divisible by 7 as well as 2 is also divisible by 14, since the LCM of 7 and 2 is 14. So you can consider this example 17276. The rightmost digit is even, so this complete number is divisible by 2. And when you check, you will notice that this number is divisible by 7 also. So this complete number is divisible by 14. Similarly, divisibility test of 15. A number which is divisible by 3 and 5, that number will be divisible by 15 also, because the LCM of 3 and 5 is 15. So you should notice that this complete number is also divisible by 14, since the rightmost digit is 0, and if you find the sum of the digits, it comes out to be 1 plus 8 9, 9 plus 1 10, 10 plus 5 15, plus 0 15, and 15 is divisible by 3, so this complete number is divisible by 3. So both the divisibility tests are passed, so therefore this complete number is divisible by 15 also. And you can proceed in the same manner with the other numbers also. So by this we complete today's session. If you further want to get any kind of information, you can visit my website www.geniuseagle.com.